Oh, so personalization is one thing. Then we have optimizing the path.
And it's, and the green footprint is really on the end user at that point. If I'm understanding correctly, you think the problem is just one of measurement at this point, being able to measure and attribute the carbon footprint of the different players. That's the real first hurdle that you see.
I think the difficult part really is attributing where was kind of inefficiencies are happening in order to be able to optimize around them. But in order to be able to measure that, it basically all traces back to the publisher side, who are in control of how the inventory is being sold, at least to some degree, especially since ads.txt being around.
Like the demand side of this just dictates everything.
Sending more requests, creating more waste.
I know we're going to talk about Google at some point on one of these, like
Amazon doing its own bidding server side, but being fully integrated with pretty much like exactly the same demand as it is running for pre-bid, as it is running through open bidding, as most of the SSPs are reselling to again, and so on.
And that is generating a lot of spam in the industry.
Who is how efficient or less efficient, and advertisers can use that to push their budget more in the directions of where it is more efficient overall.
And then, you have these sort of, middle tier players like Trade Desk trying to do things like OpenPath. I mean, I think a lot of our inefficiency comes from a lack of centralization here.
Remove any resellers from your ads.txt so that we can send you greener ads as a advertiser.
The entire topic is kind of complex in itself, since the industry is complex.
Is what does the user demand really like? What does the user demand really end up looking like? The market writ large, IAB and everybody else, could make some really good decisions and really could make itself, a very green marketplace, which would be, amazing to be a part of.